Understanding oil pattern, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, oil pattern. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, making it easy and fun to understand. The phrase, oil pattern, is primarily used in the context of bowling. In bowling, the lanes are coated with a thin layer of oil. This oiling is not random. It follows a specific pattern, which is what we call an oil pattern. The pattern affects how the bowling ball moves on the lane. It's a crucial part of the sport, often invisible to the casual observer but very important for players. Understanding the oil pattern is key for serious bowlers. Different patterns can significantly change how the ball behaves, affecting the strategy and skill required. For example, a pattern might make the lane more slippery in certain areas, changing how the ball spins or hooks. This concept shows how language can reflect very specialized knowledge in certain hobbies or professions. Occasionally, you might hear oil pattern used metaphorically. In this sense, it can describe a situation where underlying, often hidden factors influence outcomes. For example, in business or politics, unseen patterns can affect decisions or events. This metaphorical use is less common but is a great example of how English speakers often borrow terms from specific fields for broader use. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, oil pattern, and its interesting role in both bowling and, occasionally, in everyday language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice this new phrase in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the fascinating world of English.